The first thing we do is take the shrimp and cut each one into 2/3. Once you are finished cutting the shrimp, make sure you season them with a little salt and pepper. Next, we take the lettuce, chop off the bad end, and then we separate the leaves as they are going to be the wrap. Peel the shallots and then cut it in half and then thinly slice. Next, we take the Fresno chili, cut off the top, and then thinly slice it. Don't forget to remove the seeds. Now it's time to make the marinade. We take a lime, cut it in half, and then we juice it. Then combine the fish sauce, lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and stir until the sugar is dissolved. In a medium skillet, add some olive oil and then the shallots, and then stir them up and let them cook for a little bit. Then add the Fresno chili to give it a little flavor. Stir it up nice. Cook the shallots for about 3 minutes until they're golden brown and nice and soft. Add in the shrimp and cook that for about 1 minute until they're slightly pink. Then add the fish sauce and cook it for about 1 more minute until it's thoroughly done. Now we do the final steps. Take the lettuce and then put it in a bowl. And then once the lettuce are laid out, scoop in some rice on top of the lettuce. And then finally, we add the shrimp, drizzle of sauce on top, and enjoy. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support Lifetime Vibes.